Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 3.4 and today I'll show you how easy you can clean your USB-C charging port. So at first you have to prepare, for example, something like that, the household item. It could be, the very thin pencil or just SIM injector, something like that. And of course we have to, I have to zoom in to show you how it looks inside. It looks like that. And right now let's grab our thin object, then put it from the one of the edge, left or the right, and then make gently moves. Remember to do it slowly. Then go for the opposite side. Let's try to grab it with our fingers. Okay, let's go for more. Okay, and let me just take a look inside. Okay, and right now it looks fine, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you can clean your USB-C charging port in Nokia 3.4. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!